So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see a new XPath function, and that is the text function. Okay, so the text method or the text function, okay, so method and function are the same thing. So I'm writing here function. So the text method or the function is used to find the element with the exact text match. Okay, so basically what I am trying to say is, let me first show you the website that again I'm using the same website as I've used in the previous videos so that you can relate very well. So again I'm going to let me inspect this particular link. Okay, so if I inspect this particular link, then you can see that here the privacy statement is the visible text. Okay, privacy statement is the visible text, and this link will land us to another page because the target is equals to blank means that another tab will open. Okay, and HERF means hyperlink reference, so it will land us here over this particular link. Okay, and this is the visible text of the link. So this is what the text method chooses. Okay, so this is the actual text we are talking about. So the text method which we have opened in this PowerPoint presentation, the text method is used to find element with the exact text match. So this can be only used for the links, okay, because we have the visible text in the links only. Okay, so we have the format as a / tag name, and then the square brackets, and then text is equals to actual text. Okay, so this is how we will find. So let us move to the script and then see. So I have changed my computer's theme to from dark theme to the normal theme. So I think that it was not clearly visible in the previous videos as complained by some of the viewers. So I've changed it to white theme. I hope that now you can see it more clearly. So now let us see that first we have navigated to salesforce.com, and then we have maximized the window. Okay, then we need to locate this particular element. Which particular element? This particular element. So let me first show you what happens when we click over here. So as soon as we clicked over here, it opened a new tab. Okay, so this is what we are going to perform by our Selenium script. Okay, so let us close it. So again inspecting this, and then we need to locate this particular element. So we have to follow this. Okay, / tag name text is equals to actual text. So what's the tag name here? The tag name is A, or the anchor tag. Okay, and the text is privacy statement. So you'll follow this particular XPath format. So let us move to our script and then remove this from our previous video. Okay, now we'll type / tag name, and that is A. Okay, and then we'll type text is equals to actual text. So now what's the actual text we have seen over there? That was privacy statement. Okay, so let's copy it as it is and then paste it over here. So this is the correct XPath for locating the this particular link. So if we will remove this and write here dot click, so this will click over that particular link. Okay, dot click is the method which is used to click over a particular web element. Okay, so let us save the program. Before running the program, I want to show you that if you want to test that whether you have written it correctly or not, so you can press here Control F, so the search tab will open, and then you provide / A and then text is equals to actual text. So actual text is privacy statement. So let me paste it over here. So you can see this particular web element has been highlighted. So this is how we can check. Okay, so it is one of two, so there is another link. Okay, you can see here, but since the very first link which it is encountering is this only, so because it is at the top and the second link is at the bottom, you can see this portion, this is moving down. Okay, so this is above and this is down. Okay, so I hope that you're understanding what I am saying. So this is the very first link which the script will encounter via this particular XPath. Okay, so our script will locate this particular link and click over here. So let us move to our script and then save it and then run it. Okay, so the script is running, and then it opened the Chrome browser, and then it opened the salesforce.com start my free trial page, and then it will maximize the browser, so it will maximize the website, and then hopefully it will click over the privacy statement, that particular link above the start my free trial blue menu. So it has not clicked over the privacy statement. Let me see that what the error is. Okay, so the error, we can see it here: invalid select, unable to locate an element with the XPath expression @text. Okay, so we have mistakenly created the single inverted comma, as you can see here. Let me move it to the right side, and you can see that it is not properly created. Okay, so the privacy statement should be inside this particular single inverted comma, and then we'll copy it and paste it. So it's a typo error, so please ignore it, I'm sorry for that. And then Control S, so this time we'll get no error hopefully, and our script will run successfully. Okay, so again the script is running, and then it opened the Chrome browser, open the Salesforce free trial page, and then it will maximize the browser now, and then click over the privacy statement. And you can see that it clicked over the privacy statement. So this time our script ran, and this is how we use the text method, and we write text is equals to actual text in order to locate a particular link or the web page. Okay, so in the new tab we have got our privacy policy open of the salesforce.com. So this is how we use the text function or the text method of the Selenium XPath. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.